Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Torrentio with RealDebrid in Stremio. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Alright, the first thing you want to do is open RealDebrid in your browser and sign in to your account. It's a good idea to keep this page open because we'll need it in just a moment. Once you're logged in, go to the My Devices section. This is where RealDebrid generates a device pairing code. This code is used to securely connect apps and add-ons without sharing your login details. And when you're in the My Devices section, you'll see a short code. Go ahead and copy that code. This code is temporary, so think of it like a one-time password. Keep it private and don't share it with anyone. If it expires, don't worry, you can just refresh the page and get a new one. Now the next step is to open the Torrentio configuration page. This is where we'll link Torrentio with RealDebrid. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you see the configuration section. At first, the page might look a bit confusing, but don't worry, we're only focusing on one important part. Look for the Debrid provider section. This is where you choose which Debrid service you want to use. From here, select RealDebrid as your provider. Once you select RealDebrid, you'll see a field where you can paste your code. Go ahead and paste the key you copied earlier. Make sure there are no extra spaces and double check that everything looks correct. If you ever get an error later, it usually means the code expired. Just go back to RealDebrid, generate a new one, and try again. After that, scroll down and click on Install. Torrentio will now generate your custom configuration and open Stremio automatically. You might see a prompt asking you to install the add-on. Just confirm it, and once it's done, Torrentio will be added to Stremio with RealDebrid connected. And that's pretty much it. Now, when you search for movies or shows inside Stremio, Torrentio will automatically prefer RealDebrid links. This usually means faster loading, higher quality streams, and fewer buffering issues. If something doesn't work, just double check that you selected RealDebrid correctly and that your code was still valid. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.